Hi there. Today I want to talk about the HVAC unit in the condo buildings, and same thing I believe like big hotels use the same system. This is a two pipe coil. A lot of people have questions like if they can install the digital thermostat. So yes, answer is yes. These originally came with the manual thermostat, which I already removed, and then I decided to go with the digital thermostat. So why I removed from here and move it into the big room? The reason, because if winter time this gets heats up, and then that's the thermostat fills the warm area in here, so it's not gonna give you the right temperature. Or same thing the summertime AC, so this cools down and you're never gonna get the accurate temperature. Let's see, if your thermostat hooked up, because this is metal, hooked up in here, it doesn't matter it's a manual thermostat or digital. So you're not gonna get the accurate reading because all the heat or cold is gonna be in this area because it's the return. But your rooms is gonna show a different temperature. So what I did, so I had to cut the wall and then run the conduit pipe, because this is a line voltage. Line voltage means it's a 240 volts. You have to be careful with it. So I decided to go with the digital thermostat. So what happens now, a thermostat is far away from the HVAC unit itself. And then this way, you're gonna get the accurate temperature at this moment. So if anybody has a question, is it possible to convert to digital? Yes, it's possible, but my suggestion, you have to keep the thermostat away from the HVAC unit itself. As I said, this two pipe coil, and there's also 4-pipe coil available. So some condos might have that. So, but this particular unit is a 2-pipe coil. If you have a question, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. You have a good one.